In this video I'm going to share how you can make quick money in one day, and we're going to do this by giving away free games. So what you can expect from this video is I'll show you exactly how this works. We'll go over setting everything up. Now the most important parts are this: you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, and you do not need any money with this. And also with this method it's available worldwide, so there's no reason why by watching this video till the end that you can't put this into practice and start making some extra money online and from home. Now make sure you watch this video till the end, because this is going to be a step-by-step video, and if you miss any of the steps then you won't know how to do this properly. Now as I've mentioned, you can get started with this from absolutely anywhere in the world, and I'll show you exactly how you can go over this entire method and get everything done with less than 1 hour of work every single day. And ultimately by the end of this video you'll not only know exactly how this works, but you'll know how to make money using what we're going to teach in this video. So let's jump into this and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online giving away free games. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to go over a really simple method that you can use to make some extra money online and from home, and it really is simple. So to do this we're going to use a couple of different websites. Now the website we're going to be focusing on today is called Max Bounty. So let me just show you inside of Max Bounty now. So this is inside, but look, you don't just need to use Max Bounty, there's many other websites that you can use with this. So let me just show you a couple of these. So you can come over to this website here called afpaying.com, and you'll find many more of these affiliate networks that you can use, and basically you sign up to these for free, and this is where you will go and find the games and the downloads that you can use to give away and make money. So one of it, let me find one that's really good for you. Where is it? Obviously you've got Max Bounty on here, and this is who we're looking at today. There's another one I want to share with you, which is, where are they? This one here, OG Ads. Let me click on here. This is OG Ads. This is another great platform that you can use with this method that I'm going to teach you today. And again, you can sign up to these. They're absolutely free to go ahead and get signed up with. So you've got OG Ads, you've got Max Bounty that we're going to be looking at, and you'll find many more. All of these on here, they're all different networks. So you feel free to go ahead and sign up to as many of these as you want. You can see there's currently 85 on here. Peerfly, this is another great network that you can use as well. So don't worry if I'm going a bit too quick for you as well. I'll drop links to everything that we're going to be speaking about below. So let me come out of AFPaying. Let me come out of here and let's go over to Max Bounty. So inside of Max Bounty we're going to be looking for basically games that you can give away for free and you can earn money. Now don't worry about the traffic part, because I'll cover that after we've gone through the first part of this video. So on the left hand side here you've got search campaigns. Now the easiest way to do this method is literally, once you've created an account on Max Bounty, come here on the left hand side and click on search campaign. Then up here in this search bar here, don't worry about this, we're going to click on search options. It's going to drop this down. Now you see here you can filter this via your country if you want. You can just leave it on all countries, wherever basically. Now on here we're going to be looking for games. So let's look for gaming. Here, gaming. So you can see there's currently 24 offers on here, and look, this is updated all the time. So last week when I was looking at this there was 29, this week there's 24. I'm sure next week it'll go up or down again. So I'm going to click on gaming and I'm going to click on search. And then what's going to happen here is I've been logged out. Hang on, let me log back in. Go back here. Very sorry, let me just very quickly do this. Don't know why it's done that. Log back in, get back to the process that was up to a minute ago. So let's go to on the left hand side, search campaigns, search options, all categories. We're going to go to gaming, click on here, click on search. Yeah, thankfully it didn't log me out here. So you can see here these are currently all of the gaming offers which are live on Max Bounty, and you can basically share and promote these and you can earn money. And these numbers here, this is how much you will be paid. So we're going to go through and find some of these different games basically that we want to promote, and before you promote them you can actually go ahead and check them out before you start promoting them. So let's look at this one here. You earn $10 per lead with this one. This is Gamer Saloons. Let's click on here and have a look at this. So Gamer Saloon and video game tournament. So scroll down here. So you earn $10 per lead for this. It tells you the countries where it's allowed, so you can see Albania, Algeria, and more. And if you click on there, it will show you all all the different countries it's available. Default landing page. So I'm going to click on here, and basically this is the page where we'll be sending the traffic to. So let's click on there. It takes us over here. So this is the actual website which you'll be promoting. So what is this? Gamer Salon. Let's come down here. Okay, so this here. So playing video game tournaments for cash prizes. So okay, so people come over onto here, they enter competitions and they earn cash prizes. You can see all the different amounts of money on here. So game on, how it works, etc., etc. You can feel free to do a bit more research if you want to, check out any of these promotions that you're promoting. So that is this one here, Gamer Saloons. Let's have a look at this. So you earn $10 per lead for this one. This is sign up and the first deposit. Now, let me go ahead and have a look at some more. So I tell you, one I found earlier when I was actually having a look at this, it was Roblox. So let me go back over here, scroll down. You see here, Roblox. Now, I know that this is incredibly popular, and you see on here you will earn 53 cents per lead. So let's go and have a look at this here. So Roblox games for kids. A little bit about this. This offer converts on SOI. So this here, this basically means single opt-in. So what that means is somebody signs up to this and they opt in, and then you will earn 53 cents per lead. It really is that simple. So let's click on default landing page. Let's see where it's sending people over to. So it's actually sending people over to the actual Roblox website. Sign up and start having fun. So literally someone goes through this, signs up, and then you get paid basically. Now I know Roblox is been around for a number of years. It's hugely popular. My son plays on this. He absolutely loves it. So promoting Roblox, you're not going to have any issues with this. So this is just a couple of different options for you on here. So you come over here. And you filter this via gaming and you go through, and these are all of the different links that different promotions on here and different opportunities that you can promote. And then on the right hand side, this is how much you will earn per lead. Now you can do it this way. You can come over to gaming. You can even go to downloads. Let me just very quickly show you downloads. So you could go through here, like, look, what's this one here? Game of Thrones. This is some download to do with Game of Thrones. You'll earn $2.20 per. Oh, that's Game of Thrones. That's not even a computer game, is it? Sorry. As you can see, I clearly know what I'm talking about when it comes to playing games online. So you can just go through and have a look at all of these different, opportunities, all these different campaigns on here, and you can promote these. Now, another thing you can do is, instead of just coming over to the campaign here, you can actually just go up here on the right where it says quick campaign search. Just search for anything on there that you want. So an example of this, just do, I don't know, Pokemon. Let's see what comes up for Pokemon. So this one here, you earn $2 per lead. So let's have a look at this one. Enter $1,000 worth of Pokemon coins. So basically, this is a competition. So people enter this competition to earn $1,000 worth of Pokemon coins, and you earn $2 per lead. So everyone who you send over to this, and they go through and enter the competition, you will earn $2. Scroll down here. It will click on default landing page. It will go and show you the landing page. So basically, this is where you're sending people to. So if you're happy with that and you want to promote any of these, whether it's this one we're looking at now or any of the previous ones, up here you're going to click on Build Tracking Link. Now on here you've got a couple of things. You've got contextual, display, all of these. So if you want to just be sharing this on social media, click on Social, click on Text Link. See that there? If you click on Select, up here, this is you can see here, this is your tracking link. This is where you would be sending people to. Now, if you come down here, if you didn't want, if you didn't want it to be a text link, if you want it to be a search link, then you can just change it. So just play around with this until you're happy with any one of these that you want. But basically, this here is your tracking link. So that is the link you'll be sharing with people, and sending them over to the Pokemon page in this example here. So now you've found a product and you've got your link. The next part of this, and this is the part where people always fall down with this, is the traffic. Now look, if if you actually play Pokemon and you're interested in this, then I'm sure you'll have some online friends who are interested in this who you can share this with, and you can earn some very quick money just sharing this with people who will be interested in Pokemon in this example, or signing up to Roblox or going and playing games over here for money. So if you're already an online gamer and you're interested in this sort of stuff, I'm sure you'll be able to share your link with lots of people. Now let's focus on if you don't know lots of people and you're not actually interested in gaming like me. How would you promote this? Well, there's a couple of different ways I would do this. So depending on whichever one of these products that I was promoting, I would find people asking questions about this, or people who are loosely interested in this, and I would go and find them. And one website I would focus on would be Quora. Another one I would look at would be maybe Twitter. We'd then look at Instagram as well. But let's go over to Quora and have a look at this. So this is, what is this? This is Gamer Saloons. Let's highlight this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to go over to Quora, and in the search bar up here, I'm just going to paste in Gamer Saloon. So let me just click on search, and look, you can see straight away you've got people on here asking questions about this. So, is Gamer Saloon a legitimate site? What are some reviews of Gamer Saloon? So look, this is people on Quora asking questions. So let me just click on here, we'll go and have a look at this. See, nobody's answered this yet. So you could actually be the first person to come over to Quora and answer this question, and then inside the answer that you give, you provide the tracking link that you got from Max Bounty or Peerfly or ClickBank or wherever within the answer. So let me show you how this works. So you would click on here, write an answer, and basically you wouldn't just say go and check out Gamer Saloon here, here's my link. You would go and give it a proper answer, and within the answer you would put in your tracking link. So look, it's really simple to do. Let me just put best platform ever. And I'm only doing this as an example here. So this here, if you wanted to include your link, you'd put best platform ever, or something like check out the website here. Do this. Check out the website. I always tend to do this. Check out the website here, and then all you do is you highlight the word. You click on here. See this here? Link. Enter the URL. So this is the tracking link that you got over from Max Bounty. So let's grab the one we've already got. I'll tell you what, let's just do another one. You want to build a tracking link for this. Let's go on contextual. Let's go on raw link. Come down here. So you see this here? That there is your link. Would copy that. You then go back over to Quora. Highlight the text here. And you simply put in your link. Enter the URL here. Click on paste. Click add. Now look, you can see it's changed. So it's done. So this would send people over here. So in this example here, this Gamer Saloon, I would go and I'd go over to the website, pull information out from here, where people come to play for money, and you can even share videos on here. So like this video on here, you could put this in your answer over on Quora, and you basically just go through here. And another thing you can do is just go over to the About Us page. Have a look at the About Us, and you'll find different bits in here that you can mention within the answer. So you can see this has been around since 2006. They've got lots of partners, including Twitch, etc., etc. So you put all of that in there, and then simply you would answer the question, and you'd say check out the website, like as I've done here. Check out the website here. Anybody clicks on here, they go over to Gamer Saloon and sign up, then you earn a commission, and that is how this works. So you'll find lots of these ones that you can do over on Quora. You could even have it very loosely and put in gaming comps. Let's just do gaming comps and see what comes up on here. Gaming comps. And again, just go through and answer some of these different questions. So Quora is a great platform that you can use, and on here, once you've answered a question, it will stay up on here until Quora basically takes it down. So I use Quora. It's a great platform to use for traffic, and it's evergreen traffic. And what that means is once you've taken the time to answer the question once, then you will be getting traffic from that question for literally, I'm still getting traffic over to my blog and website and YouTube videos and all different places from questions I answered literally 12-18 months ago on Quora. So that's one platform that you can use to drive traffic to these links that you're going to be promoting. Another one that you can do, and again it's really simple, is use Instagram. So let's go over to Instagram and we'll type in, let's just type in free games. 180,000 posts for free games. Let's go and have a look at this. So free games, see, let's go and have a look at some of these on here. Shelter of gamers. So over on Instagram, what you can do is you can go and find people in the niche, and again this depends on whichever one you're doing, whether you're going down the free games, whether you're going down the competitions, whatever basically. But you would find other people who are creating similar content to you around gaming, and then you can start not only following them and following their followers, and that in turn then brings people to follow your account, but you can also start sharing content on Instagram. And look, many people overcomplicate the whole process. It's really simple. You go and get your link from Max Bounty. You come over to Instagram, you create an account around gaming, you upload images, and then within your bio you simply put a link to the products that you're promoting. Now, will you make money with using Instagram straight away? Maybe, probably not realistically, but it'll take a little bit of time to build up the traffic over to your Instagram profile. But if you go in and following people who are interested in gaming or interested in free downloads, etc., it can build up very quickly. And over on here, this example here, I've just done free gaming. Let's just go and type in, we'll do hashtag games. Oh no, sorry, let's do competition gaming. And again, look, you just play around with this. So go and have a look at this. Follow people who are putting out content similar to yourself, follow their followers, and upload your own content on here. And then you really simply, within your bio, you drop a link to whatever products that you're promoting. Now, I've shared two examples with you there. We've done Quora, we've done Instagram. Another one, which is a really great one, is just go over to Google. And I'm 100% certain you'll find people using this method on blogging. And literally, go and do this. So we'll just go type in best free games for Android. Let's have a look at that. Click on here. And with this method, you can do this. You can simply go and create a blog, and you don't need to pay for a blog. You can create a free blog on, blogger.com, wordpress.org, and all these other different free platforms, Wix, another one. And you create content, and then within the content, you put links back over to whatever products that you're promoting. So you can see on here, look at this one here, Brawl Stars free download. So people go ahead, they come over to Tom's guide here, they click on free download, he will be paid a commission for sending people over to this game here. And this is really how it works. And in terms of these free games like this, you can find these on lots of platforms. Let me just go back over to Max Bounty so you can see he was still in gaming. Let's go and find one of these. So Brawl Stars, second like War Thunder. Let's have a look at War Thunder. I'm sure this will be one. So you can see on here, so War Thunder is free to play, so you will earn $3.25 per lead for anyone who you send over to this game here. So it's free to play. So the offer converts after a player wins 5 games. So you send people over to this game here, this War of Thunder, which is absolutely free to play and download. Once they've won 5 games, you get paid $3.25. It's that simple, it really is. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please go ahead and give the video a like for me. Leave some comments down below if you've seen this method before, if you've used this method, if you find it useful. But look, thanks again, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.